Philip Larkin was born in Coventry. His poem Afternoons was published in 1964 as a part of a collection called The Whitsun Weddings. Many of Larkin's poems explore the ordinary events that occur in people's lives, and his work became characterised by these detailed observations of everyday life and relationships. Larkin never married and had no children. To many people, his life seems unremarkable. This poem was written when Larkin lived in his top flat in Pearson Park in Hull. He loved living in a high room where he could observe other people. As he walked through the park, he used to pass a children's playground, and what he saw there inspired this bleak poem. Afternoons is an example of his acute observation and his imaginative ability to articulate the unique perspective of his subjects. The poem is typical of much of Larkin's poetry, the way he takes a specific detail from modern living, something he observed in the course of his daily life. Larkin's poem is a timeless and universal meditation on the unsatisfactoriness of our lives, especially once we realise our youth has flown and a new generation is moving forwards. In the 1960s, when this poem was published, society was very different. Gender roles were more defined. Women were expected to serve traditional roles in the household and look after children, while men were typically expected to have a job and provide for the family. Larkin uses this poem to observe these stereotypical gender roles, and his snobbery reminds us of the class consciousness of England after the Second World War, as he mocks mothers and their aspirations, and their husbands with their skilled trades. The poem shows us a class-ridden society.